Which alloy is best for my instruments? Inox, titanium, Dumoxyl, Dumastar, anti-magnetic. Have you ever looked at the variety of metal alloys for surgical instruments and laboratory tools and wondered which is best for your needs? Well, here's a brief rundown. Black titanium coated. Our black instruments are coated with titanium nitride, an extremely hard ceramic material. The tin coating hardens and protects the cutting edge. Ceramic-coated anti-reflective instruments are perfect for microscopy and microsurgical applications. Coating surgical instruments with the black ceramic adds a thin layer to the metal instrument, making the instrument harder and giving you greater precision. The anti-glare surface minimizes reflections of the surface of your instruments. The incredibly smooth coating improves the instrument's resistance to corrosion and minimizes friction. The ceramic coating is virtually impenetrable because the raw material is bonded to the instrument both physically and chemically. These instruments are much more resilient to the pressure of daily use and chemical processing. Coated instruments last considerably longer.